Hi everybody, I'm Louisa and my group and I have decided to use Instagram for this project. I'm sure everybody here has heard of or uses Instagram. It's a great app for building a personal profile, for making professional connections, and it's a great resource for libraries. And so with most of the world having social media apps, it's a great way for a library to stay connected, talk to their audience, and gain some more followers. So Instagram is a mobile desktop and internet-based photo application that was developed in 2010. It allows its users to upload pictures and videos and share them either publicly or privately. While they're uploading their pictures, they are able to add filters, add locations, tag people in their posts, link their photos up to other accounts, and so all of these things will be discussed a little bit more further in the presentation. But overall, users can use Instagram to connect to other people, to connect to other profiles, and to share images and videos. So again, it was launched in 2010, and from 2010 to present day, Instagram has been adding lots of new features. They add new filters, Instagram stories, lots of different things that kind of are working with the way the world is today, with different trends that are happening. So there are over 800 million users on it, and it's just a way for people to see what goes on in everybody's lives on a daily basis. Since the beginning, the co-founders have focused, they said, on simplicity and inspiring creativity through solving problems with thoughtful product design. And as a result of this, Instagram has become the home for visual storytelling from everyone, from celebrities to newsrooms to brands, to teens, musicians, and anyone with creative passion. And so because of that, Instagram is a huge resource and libraries would greatly benefit from it. So we are now going to switch to what Instagram looks like in the basic format.
Now we're going to focus on what Instagram actually looks like. So this is the main page that you're going to see. You see right up here by my mouse, we have the Instagram name and the logo, a search bar, and a little bar of tools that we will get to in a second. So this first page that you're seeing right now is the feed page. This is where you can see the people that you follow and what they are posting. So I have created just a new account here. So I've just followed a few public accounts, Wayne State being one of them, another TV show. And so you from this can comment, you can like, you can save, and do some other things. But generally this is where you see what your followers have posted. We're now going to go to this toolbar. You see this little person. When we click on them, this takes you directly to your own personal profile. Now, because I haven't set up a profile for this one, and it's not my personal profile, we're just going to go look at Wayne State's. This is the general setup of any profile. You're going to have their profile picture, their name, some facts about their account, and their pictures that they have posted. They go in chronological order, and you are again able to see what they have posted. You're able to comment on them, and so this is Wayne State's account. This is what anybody's account looks like. They will have the it'll be in the square format with the rows and columns, and it's going to have the general same look. Now we're going to go to this little heart. This is a screen that is going to show you the activity on your post. So when someone likes or comments on your post, you're going to see it there. If somebody follows you, you're going to see it there. So it's just a little screen that drops down from the heart that you're able to see what people are doing with your account. Moving to the compass, this is going to be your Discover and Explore page. This is a great page because it is going to recommend accounts that it thinks you would like based on who you follow, what you comment on, and what you like. So you're able to go through and you're able to follow them. You can click see all and see hundreds and, explore all these different accounts. Now if we go back to the search bar, is a great way to search for fellow followers. So I'm going to type in my name. You can see here it pops up, and then you can click on it. And my account is public, so you're able to see everything about it. Again, profile picture, my name, my info, and all of my posts in chronological order that people are able to scroll through and kind of see a little bit into my life. So this is the general format of Instagram. Now my fellow group members are going to go through and tell you a little bit more.
Hello, my name is Chelsea, and in this part I will be taking you through how to edit and post a photo on Instagram, how to use hashtags, I'm going to show you a little bit about the search feature in Instagram, how you can find new profiles to follow, and also I'll show you a little bit about the stories feature on Instagram. First, I'll show you how to edit and post a photo on Instagram. It is as simple as pressing the button on the bottom of the screen. Once you pick a photo, you can edit using Instagram's filters and their editing tools. Once you have finished editing the photo, you can write a caption and add hashtags before you post. You can also tag people at a location and share to other social media accounts. All that's left is sharing. Press the button and wait for it to finish processing. There you go, your first post to Instagram. Next, I'll show you how to use the search function. Click on the magnifying glass at the bottom of the screen to look up profiles. Or to find new people to follow. You can also search for particular tags like books, libraries, and so on. The final feature I'll be talking about is stories on Instagram. Stories give you live updates or a quicker way to share with your followers. Swipe left to add to your story and choose to take a photo, video, or boomerang. And if you mess up, you can delete it and start over again, like I did. Thank you so much for watching.
Hello, my name is Sarah Sadler. For my section, I will discuss 3 main topics. 1, the purpose for creating your Instagram account. 2, how to create your account. And 3, who to follow. There are 3 things to consider when deciding on your mission and purpose on Instagram. Number 1, this is a team effort. So ask your library staff who would like to be involved. Number 2, hold a meeting and decide who will manage the account. You may not want to give everyone access to the information, and you may want to assign roles to individuals and put them in charge of posting and sharing information. And number 3, do some research. Ask other libraries how they're using their account. There are a lot of libraries out there on Instagram, and they're doing really cool things. Following these guidelines will help you make an informed decision about your mission and purpose on Instagram. Now I will show you how to create your own Instagram account. To do that, you will go to Instagram.com. When you get to Instagram.com, you will be asked to enter an email address, a name, a username, and a password. I have already entered that information right here for a mock Instagram account so that you can see step by step how to do that. After you've entered your information, click Sign Up, and your Instagram account will be created. Once your Instagram account has been created, you'll be directed to a page that will allow you to add a profile photo. When selecting a profile photo, select a photo that is easily recognizable. Most libraries use their logo. This also helps with branding. After your profile photo has been added, click at the top right on the icon figure to go to your Instagram homepage. There you will be able to confirm that your profile has been loaded and edit other information on your account. The last thing you'll want to do is add your library's bio. To do that, you will click on the Edit Profile box by your username. This routes you to your Edit Profile page. You can change your photo, name, username, add your website, and add your bio from this page. Your bio should be a short statement that describes the mission of your library. Mine reads, providing access to information for our community and the surrounding areas. Join us, #SadlerPublicLib. You'll learn more about hashtags later on in this video. Once you've added your bio, click Submit, and the information's been saved. To get back to your main homepage, click on the icon at the top right. Here you can confirm that your bio has been added. Now that you have finished editing your profile, you can start following other Instagram accounts. When choosing who to follow, the best thing to do is start from your local community and branch out. For example, I live in the Nashville area, so I may want to follow the Nashville Public Library. I could also follow organizations in Nashville, such as the Tennessee Performing Arts Center, to share events or special presentations they may be hosting. Or I may want to follow the Nashville Parks Department. You can also follow other libraries and institutions that are not in your community. The LeClaire Public Library has an excellent Instagram account. It's a small community in Iowa with 84,000 followers. There's also larger libraries such as the Seattle Public Library. You can also follow museums. The Smithsonian has an excellent Instagram account.
Hello everyone, I'm Katie and I'll be sharing a bit about current trends on Instagram. Now that we've gone over how to get your library up and running with a new profile, bio, and defined goals, we can focus on a few of the current trends being implemented on Instagram. These include Instagram stories, creating polls, and utilizing hashtags. Instagram stories are easy to record. From your home screen on the Instagram app on your phone, tap the camera in the top left corner. Now we can see through my phone's camera a picture of my computer, and we'll just take a photo using the large white button at the bottom. So now we have quite a few options. You could either take a photo or a video, and then at the top of the screen we have options to add text by pressing the capital A, lower a. We have the option to draw a picture or add writing, or we have the option to add stickers. And I can add any of these. Now this is where Instagram polls come in, which is another useful trend. So now I'm going to take another photo, and now by clicking the sticker icon, which is the post-it square with a smiley face at the top of your screen, we have the option to add a poll, which is the sixth option, just there in the second row. Now, Instagram polls are a great option, an interactive option for your Instagram friends and followers to participate in. Polls can easily draw in users to your profile by asking fun questions like, which book should we read for story time? So I'm going to type that in. And then you can change the yes or no options to whatever you want. So for now, I'm going to input book 1 and book 2. So now we have this interactive poll added to our photo here that your Instagram users, friends, and followers can interact with and vote on. By giving your Instagram users an interactive element such as a poll, they'll feel more involved with and connected to your library. Publishing your story is easy. All you have to do is hit next at the bottom of the screen, and then you can add it to your story. Now, a final useful trend on Instagram, along with stories and polls, is the hashtag. Hashtags are words or phrases that follow a pound symbol that can be included in your comments or description of a post. If your hashtag is input into the search bar, your post that includes it will be displayed with other posts using the same tag. So here on our Instagram home screen, at the bottom I'm going to hit the magnifying glass, which is our search bar. So here, by selecting tags in the ribbon at the top of the screen, we can search popular tags. If you include a popular hashtag as a comment in your photo, anyone who then searches that hashtag can find your picture. So if we search library in tags, it will search popular library hashtags, which includes hashtag library, hashtag library cat, hashtag library bag, hashtag library time, hashtag library lover. If you select one of these, let's hit the second option, library cat, you can see all photos that people have posted using that hashtag. So here we have pictures of a bunch of cute cats and library books. And this is all the posts that have used the hashtag LibraryCat. You can see on this post, these are all the hashtags on this post, which include LibraryCat, Libraries of Instagram, and Catterday. So by using popular hashtags, your posts can be seen by more users, bringing more popularity to your page. A library can even create a unique hashtag for patrons to use whenever posting pictures from their programs or activities. This is a great way to build a community among tween and teen library users, age groups that generally love using hashtags. These are just a few trends currently used by libraries on Instagram, so hopefully in the future your library can implement stories, polls, and hashtags on your Instagram profile. Thanks for listening.
Hi, this is Janelle Manuel, and I'm here to show you specific examples of libraries that use their Instagram accounts correctly. I'm going to start with a local library if you are in Michigan, and that's Ferndale Public Library. It is a small library in the Metro Detroit area. What I like about their Instagram page is they use something called Book Face Fridays, and that is when they take a cover of a book and they impose their bodies behind it to make it look like they were actually a part of the cover. So I thought that was really cute, and it's a good talking piece among followers. Another thing that they use are memes that surface along the internet. They incorporate them into their page to attract followers. And also they put information about the city of Ferndale that could be important, such as voting districts. And they use the tagging feature to tag other Ferndale pages that could have useful information. Another thing that I like is that they record events that happen in their library, such as this rock concert. So if you're in the area, you can stop by. Another library that I think is a good example will be the National Archives. It's different from Ferndale because of the archive. However, it has a lot of followers, and that is definitely because of the effort they put into their social media, particularly their Instagram account. So as you can see here, they have 51,000 followers. And they have a lot of different artifacts that they post, which could be really useful to attract people to the archive. So here we have 273 likes. And as you can see, they also use the hashtags. Let's see, we have another post right here, and that has 983 likes. So also using the hashtags, and as I click on a hashtag, you will be able to see how it incorporates every single picture that has that hashtag onto the post. So say if someone were to type in punch buggy, they will be able to see a lot of the similar things, and the U.S. Archives picture may be one of them. And that is a way to attract followers that may not be familiar to your library. And another thing that I thought was pretty useful is that they post when other important people may be in the library, as you can see here, to get people to come or to know about other events. And also they use their bio page very well. As you can see, they have a link to a YouTube video, so they're attracting different types of social media, trying to cross market. I think that was a good idea. These were just a couple of examples of Instagram accounts for libraries. The great thing about Instagram is, one, it's very simple to set up, two, it's very easy to navigate, and three, it's free. All you need is a profile picture. It's best that that profile picture be a well-known logo that's tied to your library's name, a catchy username, contact information in your bio, and boom, you're ready to go. The great thing about Instagram also is that it gives you tools to kind of beautify your post. You can use different filters, different stickers, there's stories, you can put polls on your account, and then once it comes to the caption, you can add hashtags, and you can also tag other accounts into your post, and all of this helps create buzz for your library. And hey, you never know, a casual follower could see a post they like and then come into your library, and hey, now you got a loyal patron. And that's the beauty of Instagram. So if you were apprehensive before about using Instagram as a marketing tool, hopefully this presentation persuaded you otherwise. Hope you enjoyed as well.